Don't throw away old roses. A florist friend shared her secret with me. Start by picking off every dried rose petal into a bowl. Any color or type will work for this trick. Roses have long been valued for their intense scent, but there's more to them than that. Rinse the collected petals thoroughly in plain water to help soften them. Next, get a tall pot and place a small, clean bowl in the center. Arrange the prepared petals around it, making sure none fall into the inner bowl. Pour in filtered water until the petals are submerged. Now cover the pot with its lid, but place it upside down. Put a few ice cubes on top of the inverted lid. This step is crucial. Heat everything for about 10 minutes. The difference in temperature creates gentle steam that condenses and drips into the bowl. Remove the lid carefully and lift out the bowl. Pour the liquid from the bowl into a small, clean bottle, ideally with a dropper or spray top. Your rose oil is ready. It's a pure concentrate of all the best in rose petals. Perfect for applying directly to skin or adding to masks and shampoos. The scent is light and fresh. Use it regularly to restore softness and freshness to your skin. Rose oil works gently but effectively.